But you don't really have no wrinkles, but it's good. It'll protect you so you won't get any, right? And then, you know, the blue lights is for people who have acne. And there's also a solution over there for people who have acne also. And dark spots on their face. You can actually use the red and the blue light. You can switch it up. Use one with red and one with blue. Or however you want to do it. Yeah. I really like this machine because it really gets down into your pores and stuff when it's cleansing. And then with those tips, you can get, you can use the orange or purple and be more aggressive. It depends on how thick the skin is. You can change it to tip.
Yeah, I definitely feel deep in my skin.
I'm glad we met.
I don't know. That's what I'm saying. You're the only one I know who's had this machine. And I would have had to spend $2,000 to get the treatment.
Oh, God.
I know Isla, yeah, because I don't know.
I don't say 2,000. Nowhere near that. So as you see, I mean you can't see, but you can tell it's drying it up more and it's soaking it more into your skin. That's what it does. It's pushing the dermal build and soaking it down into the layers of your skin. So we can start working.
Perfect.
Look at that handsome face.
Thank you so much. I'm shining. I'm glowing. All right now. All right.
Oh, it's probably from the
the
pad
Yeah.
on your eye.
Yeah,
No,
it
go
is.
ahead.
Listen. Listen. Yeah, good. Wow, I can't believe I haven't had a pic. I like this.
I know. I seen that.
Yeah, this is perfect.
I said home good. I was like, it's almost like a selfie.
Man. Wow.
That's
Oh, no. That messes the whole
You must
thing
have got you on camera, right?
This is nice. I'm glowing, shining, and I needed this.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Man,
You're welcome.
Isla, you are the best.
Thank you.
Man, yes, you're gonna do well.
After the facial, how can people reach you? Because my facial is wonderful. Where can they actually, is you have a website or number or the address and all that good stuff, or social media?
Okay, sorry. My LGM Healthcare Services and Aesthetic Medicine. I'm located at 7850 Rossville Boulevard, Suite 210, and the number here, Nottingham, Maryland, 21236. And the number here is 410-661-9020. And my email address is lgmhealthcareservices@gmail.com.
Outstanding. I really, really, really appreciate it. I know I keep saying it enough. I can't stop singing your praises. But as you guys can see, the HydraFacial, she did the damn thing. She just did it. And it is glorious. Look at, ooh, the blue. I don't know why I started laughing like that. The nice blue lights and everything.
Well, this is what actually, like the gunk and stuff,
Oh.
that actually come from the HydraFacial afterwards. There's some that's coming, but you can see some of your stuff like floating down there, like hair, little cells, and
Little
everything is
floaties.
floating. Yes.
Little floaties.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I zoomed in real good.
Good.
So they can see it. Oh my goodness. Yep, that's my nonsense.
And what I usually do is actually dump this, clean this real good, because like I said, this machine, everything backs up, nothing come up, so you don't have to worry about nobody getting contaminated.
Right, because people can, ask about that all the time. Do I need to clean my hoses? Do I need? I'm like, the machine. People have smarter people than me have thought about that a long time ago.
Yes.
So trust me, they know what they're doing.
Yep, and
All right.
that's it.
And it gives you instructions on what to do. So when you take a class from Isla, or if you buy the machine, she can definitely, or call her, she can inform you about everything you need to do. And then her classes in the future, you can come on in and actually take a class and learn
Again,
about.
we have different serum. The
Ooh.
Brightenol is when you have any acne or dark spots. And also what I used on my client here was Dermabuilding, that helped with fine line, aging, refining, have different peptides and stuff for the skin.
Mm-hmm.
So again, you have the red light, the blue light. The red light you can use for wrinkles, and the blue ones for acne, or you can use both at the same time. One red, one blue. Depends on your skin, your client's skin.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That
And
is-
they do have other different ones. And this is the glycol pill. This the one that has like 7.5% glycolic
Mm-hmm.
and just 2% salicylic acid. So it's just a light pill. Your skin really won't start peeling from, but it will like get the little top little layer off, but it won't. You won't have any peeling afterward.
Okay. Okay. So any home care tips for them?
Yep, I'm gonna give you. Actually, I give you a home care shake to
okay.
take with you. Actually, you can actually go back to your normal routine, but so it's nothing like you can't use your, whatever product you were using at home. You can go right back to it, and your face should still be glowing and looking good for up to a month.
Perfect.
All right.
So for acne clients,
Asian
dry
clients,
skin,
dry skin, all skin
everything.
type.
There
This
you
is for
go.
all skin type.
And how much would you charge somebody who wants to come into your clinic and actually get a facial, hydrogen? I don't know why I keep wanting to say hydrogen facial, but a HydraFacial, not a hydrogen facial.
Yeah. Well, the signature facial is just the basic. You still get a good cleanser, a good facial with that, but it doesn't come with any one of the serum. So that is usually $199, but right now I'm having $50 off on all my facial, and also with the deluxe, which you received today, that usually run like around $260, $265, I think. And again, I'm doing $50 off on all my HydraFacial. And then the platinum is usually 300 and some. I think it's probably like 325. And again, $50 off of that. And you can also do the back. With the platinum, you actually get the lymphatic drainage done. And you can also do add-on. You can do add-ons like if you want your arms done, your legs done, your back done, your hands done. You can do it with all of this.
Okay.
Along with, like I said, I will be doing chemical pills, dermaplaning, microneedling, IV hydration.
Dang.
I'm also doing the keto weight loss program. So.
So you're doing it all.
Along with primary care. If you're looking for a
Yes.
primary care provider, again.
So when you say primary care, when people are kind of scared to go to the doctors, the hospitals, they can basically come and see you for any type of concerns.
Can be there if they're looking for a primary provider. If they don't have a provider and they're looking for someone and they come here, I'll make sure, do the whole history and physical, make sure that if they need blood pressure medicine, make sure their blood pressure's good, their sugar's good. So I pretty much will be their provider.
So can you give them your titles and everything
Yes,
so they
I
don't
am
know?
a family nurse practitioner.
Very nice.
Yes.
And then you're going into skincare.
And I'm going into skin care, and I just got certified as an acne specialist.
Yes.
And I took a lot of other classes to make sure that when I do treat my clients, that their skin looks perfect.
Wow. So you guys can see that she is the woman of all trades. Forget Jack and all them other people, Jack of all trades. Who's that? But Isla knows it all. And so you can do a pivot into other avenues. You don't have to be a nurse, doctor, football player, whatever it is. You can always pivot into other things to make other streams of income. Because nowadays, no one's safe from anything, not even government workers or military workers. Everybody's is on the chopping block, seriously. So you have to pivot into other things, go back to school, get your degrees, get your certifications, get whatever you can get. You don't know what the future's going to hold. Look at my skin, I'm shining and looking good. I can see myself in the camera. I'm like, whoa. So I can't see all that, I'm just joking. But we really appreciate Isla for giving us our facial, our HydraFacial, the real deal HydraFacial. I know I give you guys classes on the other HydraFacial that has the 3 chambers. That's the one pretty much everybody can afford. But this one's like the high end, definitely spa atmosphere that you would see in high end clinics, hotels, spas, medi spas, stuff like that.
Doctor
Because
office.
doctor's offices, yes,
Dermatology.
dermatology. This is it, that one. So I know you guys have been asking me for a while about the HydraFacial machines that stand up. They have the 4 different chambers. Yeah, I never worked with this because I cannot just, hey, here's my money. I hope to have it one day. Oh, so sorry.
So also with this machine, you can do the lips. It's called Perk Lips and Perk Eyes. It's also a serum. You can infuse just if you're having dark circles around the eyes. Also a serum for that. And if you want a little bit perk in your lips, also as a serum for that to just exfoliate the lip and also to perk them out.
All right.
Along with your hair, which is called the keratin. So with that, you can exfoliate your hair also, and then infuse it with some keratin serum that comes with the that you can use with the machine also.
And what is the age limit for if somebody has a 9-year-old but they're suffering from acne early, 9-year-old, 10-year-olds? Because these days people are stressed out. And what is the age limit that you would be able to accept or see?
If I decide to do someone that young, I just probably wouldn't use the suction that high, and I probably would, make sure just do like a just check and make sure that like I do a little test on the skin with the different solution in here. But I probably usually would start 16 on up,
Right.
or even
Nice.
14 on up.
Yeah, because I didn't feel too much burning at all. It was tingling. It's a strong sensation, but it self-neutralized itself, basically. And most chemical peels, we all know, it don't really self-neutralize. You're kind of burning for the next couple of hours.
Yeah.
And then taking care of your skin. With this, I feel amazing.
Well, again, I am certified now as acne, so if they can't use the machine, the kids, I can also treat them as far as something else besides, and not just medication, is other treatment besides medication for patients or clients with acne.
Very nice. So we're located in the Baltimore area, or is this Baltimore County, or still the city?
Nottingham, Maryland, not too far from White Marsh Mall.
All right.
Yes. Rossville Center is where I'm located at.
Okay, so people going back to school this fall, weddings coming up, since we are not wearing masks anymore, hopefully everybody has gotten their vaccinations. We're being safe. Come and see Isla. She's right next to White Marsh Mall out here in Baltimore County.
Off of Rossville Boulevard.
All right. All right.
Thank you.
We really appreciate you. Thank you, Isla.
You're welcome.
We made it.